Introducing first in the corner to my left, from Dallas, Texas. Weighing in tonight at 332.4 pounds, he requests that you all bask in his glory, the limitless Keith Lee! His opponent in the corner to my right, from Metropolis, weighing in at 260 pounds, he is the knockout artist, one half of Death by Elbow, and the greatest of all time, Chris Hero!
Up and down the roster here in Beyond Wrestling. It's not just the competition among the wrestlers in the ring at any given time, but there's definitely a sense of competition. Who's going to stand out? Who's going to make the biggest impact on any given card? So when you start off an event like Party Animals with Chris Hero, back has their working boots on because it's going to be a long night.
Great way to end 2016.
New England, where somebody like Chris Hero has traveled all over the world. The same can be said regular basis, but that's trying to go up against, what, like 2 decades of experience that Chris Hero has competing at, like, the top of the food chain. Like, get out of here. Yeah, Keith's in over because he loves professional wrestling. And, I mean, imagine if somebody's going to give you the type of money that's going to secure probably the rest of your life and, you know, 2 or 3 clubs. And, you know, again, he's betting on himself to be able to make that kind of money in the professional wrestling industry.
Uh-oh.
Calm and collected at all times, but so does Chris Hero. He's got one of the best game faces in all professional wrestling. He's a true mastermind between those ropes.
Oh, like I said, there's never been another person that I've stepped in the ring with in 15 years like Chris Hero.
A number of elbows, which Hero is known for, to the midsection, did nothing. Instead, having to use leverage to try and shrug Keith Lee off. But it is just on fire.
Oh. Oh.
Hero's looking for that jab. That's doing its homework. Maybe putting my money on anybody. I think his matchmaker put a dent.
Oh. Look at that athleticism.
Yeah, if it wasn't for athleticism, I think we'd be having pending lawsuits from 20 different people.
Hope your insurance is paid up. Fans in. Oh my goodness. Wow. Near fall.
And Hero, you think you want to cancel it all to come correct?
Opportunity to put yourself on the map.
I mean, Chris Hero's names have been in the hand. It's any time with a win, lose, or draw, just to be in a match with him, your name's...
Oh!
Oh! In the eye, I'll tell you what.
Oh my God.
And now here...
Oh!
Every one of these shots...
Make you sick. The room is spinning. You got to find a way to recover.
Chris Hero's looking for the pile driver on Keith Lee. That's a lot of weight to come driving down on your own head.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is he, a handful of nose?
Thought he was going to be transitioning to Cravat. Instead, just took just a little too much time. Lee rolling out of the way.
Oh, there we go.
Just plowed right through him.
Got freight train. Oh!
Up and down with that flapjack. Oh, he's looking for a cross back of the head. Oh, and instead, just
absolutely amazing.
How smart is Chris Hero? If that's where Chris Hero, I mean,
that's that level of it.
Don't forget, Chris Hero was taught the rolling of all people legacy like that. You know, everybody in wrestling takes
a win over Chris Hero.
On a football,
maybe a bad omen. The Knicks suck.
Why are you going to wear New York to Providence? Come on.
Oh my God.
When's the last time you saw Chris Hero manhandled like this?
Well, I'd like to say me, but no. Uh-oh. Pounce! And Chris Hero.
50.
Oh!
Was looking for death by elbow.
Oh!
He almost put him through the ceiling.
Oh!
Okay, Hero trying to put on the brakes right there.
Sometimes you gotta let it speak for itself, huh? Listen to him.
I mean, they're going on over a minute.
This is something else. This is something else. Look at that.
Oh, Keith Lee walked right into that one. A signature counter from Chris Hero. Oh, so looking for the spirit bomb. No, instead of Hurricane Rana. We're going to step over, maybe get him with the pile driver. Oh! He drilled him.
That's got to be it. That's 340 pounds on his neck. Oh!
The elbow to the head. And who knows if it can even be done.
Here they come. Keith Lee is out. This is the time to put him away. Don't mess around with him. Don't mess around with him.
Well, that's Hero's biggest down.
But don't poke the bear.
Oh! Man, can you believe somebody Chris Hero's size can extend his boot the height of Keith Lee to catch him in the face?
Yeah, the athleticism on.
Hand!
Oh!
Caught him with the ground zero!
Oh, he got out of it.
All of wrestling, and yet here we are, back to square one. Both competitors on their feet, although Hero just barely.
I think the big mistake of both of these guys so far has been giving the other guy.
Hero, if he's gonna strike his opponent, he's gotta do it while his opponent's standing. It's so tough, especially the way he throws those elbows to strike down. That's the downfall of that game plan, you know, that's one of the drawbacks of that strategy. Keith Lee, on the other hand, if he many wrestlers and fans alike, very best wrestler in the world, and he's the best going into 2017. Bottom line.
I think the other thing with Hero here is not only is he a devastating striker, but a creative striker. You don't know where it's coming from.
You never know where it's coming from, and you don't know what limit is. Now that was the Superman punch out of Keith Lee! And Chris Hero connected to the back of the skull.
Both men.
Support of the fans here. He can feed off the energy. And he needs it because he couldn't get out of the way of that.
Spirit bomb!
No! 1, 2, 3! Ed, he's not going to clear that distance. Caught the boot. Now he's got him by the head and the arm. Oh, a big spinning face buster.
That's what all those shots to the head will do.
Oh, from the second rope. You have got to be kidding me. Rolling elbow. Keith Lee still standing.
Still standing.
Rolling elbow. Keith Lee will not go down. Death by elbow. Oh, come on.
Still up. What is Chris Hero thinking right now?
Oh, now he's going to hook. That God-style pile driver. He has just clasped the hands. Up. And down.
Oh, my God.
I think he might have killed him. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. What a match.